Precedent 2, Regents Park and Regent Street by Ashley Fitch. In the early 1800s, architect John Nash was commissioned to design what is now Regents Park and Regent Street in the northern part of central London, bordering the city of Westminster and the London borough of Camden. In 1811, Prince Regent assigned the job of creating a space almost 500 acres large. Nash was chosen out of 3 architects to design Regents Park, originally known as Marylebone Park. Nash's design intent followed that of the prince's, in which the landscape would have a close relationship between the adjoining estates, which essentially combined the old and the new London. The design of Regents Park was seen as closely relating to that of Bath, which many English architects look to as a classic template for architecture. The park first opened to the public in 1835, and presently it contains a lake, boating area, playgrounds, gardens, the London Zoo, an open-air theater, and much more. Regent Street was completed in 1825 and was planned as a wide boulevard with a sweeping curve. The street contained twists in order to maximize its lane capacity, as well as providing a barrier between Soho and the more fashionable Mayfair. Regent Street was one of the first examples of urban planning in London, which proved that London was developing as a city. As years passed, the need for a new street through London heightened, mainly due to the development of Regent's Park, because there would be a significant increase in traffic, and the old streets created social differentiations between the upper and middle class. Like Nash's idea for Regent's Park, he wanted to establish some sort of relationship, in this case between the different social classes. Nash's concept for this street was mainly intended to be social. He wanted to bring together both sides of London into one area. Nash also wanted to incorporate the idea of monuments at important sections of the street, like Waterloo Place, the square around the Charles I statue, and the Quadrant. Regent's Park and Regent Street not only provided an organizational pattern to a previously random London, but also instigated social interaction. These 2 spaces allowed all the people of London to come together and enjoy the same space, while incorporating new architectural elements to the City of London. The end.